once again to watch our videos at National Gear. It's one of our large Davis Standard Extruder Gearboxes from one of our clients that we've been working with the past 10 years in Northern California, or Central California rather. This box was totally torn apart, new bearings, new seals, including a new thrust bearing that was overnighted in from Canada. The housing toward the back plate was line board, very light kiss line board to get everything concentric. The shaft seal areas was repaired, hand dressed all the gearing, all the backlash is set perfect. In this video, you will see that Timken requires us to set the preload on this bearing at 16 pounds basically 16 pounds of foot torque. So the bearing was set perfectly, and now we're just getting ready to paint it. But this thing feels beautiful, brand new, ready to rock and roll. Don't forget, all work at National Gear Repair is guaranteed for 24 months. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.